वालेकुम सलाम।
देखें मैंने कितना जबरदस्त आपका इंट्रो दिया।
शुरू में तो मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गई कि
इंसान और
के साथ
एक्टर
actor के
मैं
साथ
मैकेनिकल होते हैं ना
Where are we
कुछ
getting?
देर मैकेनिकल some actors are mechanical actors some actors use their brain.
But no, thank you for
Do
the.
you agree with this?
I mean, I can speak for myself.
You
I
use your
really
brain a
try
lot.
to use my personality, like my emotions, more than brain. I think it's the heart for me.
So इससे पहले कि हम आपकी अदाकारी के बारे में बात करें जमा तकसीम के बारे में बात करें पिछला जब आपका और मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ था मुझे एक बात पता थी और मैं वो बात नहीं कह पा सकता था किसी भी तरह से which was that you were engaged.
Oh yes, you knew back then.
And you were getting married in a few months.
Yeah.
And मैंने एक हिंट दिया था अपनी तरफ से जो कि शायद
बड़ी
हाँ कुछ लोगों ने शायद पिक करे बट माशाल्लाह उसके बाद we all saw wonderful wedding माशाल्लाह the entire पाकिस्तान का the entire world क्योंकि आपके दुनिया भर में जहाँ जहाँ फैंस हैं they become a part of the celebration सबने ऐसे सेलिब्रेट किया जैसे उनके किसी फैमिली मेंबर की शादी हो रही है तो वो फीलिंग सिंक इन अब कर गई है माशाल्लाह because it's been a good 8 months now.
I think it's been 10 months.
10 months, yes, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah, or maybe a little more.
I have that.
I've lost track.
Has that feeling sunk in now completely that you've become a wife?
Not completely, because it's been a very, very beautiful year. So there's a lot to absorb. But I don't want it to sink in completely. I'm enjoying whatever I'm feeling. This has been an incredible year for me. So I feel very, very lucky, very grateful. I feel like हर तरफ से नेमतें जो है ना वो बरस रही हैं. So it's been a very, very overwhelming year. So I think it's going to take some time for 2025 to completely sink in.
What are some of the new things that you found out about Amir during these 10 months that you're at liberty to disclose?
You know, I think that, and I say this to him as well, that ever since our dates got fixed, I have seen a new side to Amir.
To him?
Like Amir as a friend is very, very different from Amir as a fiance and then a husband now. Because Amir is like, if I thought he was sensitive, now he's really sensitive. You know, like he's really.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Of course, like everything that I thought was good about him, वो multiply हो गई है बहुत बड़े numbers से. So I feel alhamdulillah, like I thought that he. I mean, I don't want to jinx it. Alhamdulillah.
नहीं होगा something मतलब कि
जैसे मैंने क्योंकि right after I got married, I also did an interview with Amna also.
Yeah.
So every time people tag me on clips that I speak about Amir, I'm constantly like alhamdulillah, mashallah.
And blushing.
So, yeah. So I just feel कि Amir is just 100 times better husband than I thought he would be.
Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah, yes.
Okay,
like very supportive, very kind. I feel like it's very, very important that your partner is kind to you. So I think he's very supportive, very kind, very generous. Just all the good things.
With your busy schedule, have you been able to spend some good time? I know that you've been traveling together also.
Yeah, we finally got some.
और आप लोग फौरन शूट पे चले गए थे शादी के बाद अगर तुम सातों का शूट चल रहा था तो were you guys able to spend some time together like
finally like we हमने एक ट्रिप प्लान किया हुआ था कनाडा का which we were able to do last month and
where he was on husband duty taking you shopping holding all your bags.
छोटी ग्लिम्पसेस दिखाती हूँ मैं फिर मैं सोचती हूँ अच्छा ये मैंने लगाया था ठीक है.
हाँ भूल जाता आपको.
हाँ जी.
Back to then जमा तकसीम.
Yes.
Another project माशाल्लाह, another success, another feather in your cap. ये जब प्रोजेक्ट आया था इसको क्यों आपने पिक किया?
I feel that Jama Takseem always had something very special about it. I knew that it's going to be a risky project because it was about family drama. But we also knew that this is written by Sarwat Nazir ji. So, उसके अंदर बहुत layered messaging होती है. Now by we I mean Ali Bhai and I, we didn't know exactly what will happen to Jama Takseem, but we knew that the intentions are right. उनकी मेरी writer ने बहुत खूबसूरती से लिखा हुआ था कि आप एक एपिसोड पढ़ रहे हो तो आप पढ़ते ही चले जा रहे हो कि रुका नहीं जा रहा था. तो I was hoping कि इंशाल्लाह ऑडियंस को भी ऐसा ही फील हो कि वो एक एपिसोड देख रहे हैं तो they want to see more, they want to know more. but there was also a fear that the story gets divided into too many tracks. But alhamdulillah, I feel that also majorly worked.
लेकिन ट्रैक्स तो हैं
बहुत
और जब आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट आया तो आपको ये कंसर्न नहीं हुआ कि यार इसमें तो हमीद भी है, इसमें तो मजीद भी है, हमीद की अपनी फैमिली का ट्रैक है, मजीद की अपनी फैमिली का ट्रैक है, तो मैं क्या करूँगी फिर?
मैंने कभी किसी स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ के ऐसे सोचा नहीं है. I have done a Nowroz, I have done a Sabat, I have done.
Sabat was primarily about you. Nowroz was primarily about you.
So that's what
you
I'm
are
saying.
used
When
to.
you've done those projects, तब भी मैं कोई target नहीं करी थी कि the project should be about me. But you realize that, and I've also done an Angan, and I've also done a Neem, you know. So I have done multi-starrers, and I have done जो बिल्कुल single track dramas होते हैं. I feel कहानी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Overall, the interest shouldn't be just about yourself. क्योंकि जितनी अच्छी कहानी होगी उतना लोगों का दिल चाहेगा पूरी चीज़ देखने का. अगर पूरा प्रोजेक्ट मेरे बारे में हो और अच्छा लिखा हुआ ना हो, so no one's going to watch it. I knew that it's a very beautifully written script, and Sarwat ji is also so good with the, with kind of incorporating messaging in a very, very subtle way, very nuanced way. So I also wanted to do a drama where the message is not in the face, but it's also there. And इसमें ज़्यादा अच्छी बात ये थी कि इसमें multiple messaging थी. So we were scared. I wouldn't lie. We were very, very scared कि ये बहुत तरफ को जा रहा है drama. But I feel like the audience has received it so well that अब सब अच्छा लग रहा है.
Now this thing that you've said about message था script में, एक ये चीज़ associate हो गई मावरा के साथ कि मावरा के जो भी choice of script होगी वो बड़ी responsible होगी. और responsible की ही एक I think facet ये है कि the project will have some sort of a positive message towards society ताकि society में एक बेहतरी आए. और आपने ऑफ लेट जो प्रोजेक्ट्स अगर तुम साथ हो, आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐसे पिक किए भी हैं, जफा हो गया, नौरोज हो गया, नीम, ऑल योर प्रोजेक्ट्स. ये अब कितना एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया आपके लिए कि जब भी कोई स्क्रिप्ट आए उसमें इस तरह का कोई एस्पेक्ट हो, या यू आर स्टिल ओपन टू स्क्रिप्ट्स प्राइमरीली जो एंटरटेन करें और कुछ ना करें?
No, I'm absolutely open to scripts जो entertain करें, and I always say that.
Entertain तो जफा ने भी किया और जमा तकसीम भी कर रहा है.
लेकिन अगर सिर्फ entertain भी करें तो मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. The only thing that I always have a problem with is detrimental नहीं होना चाहिए. So that for me is very, very important. I was on a tour recently, and I've met young girls and I've met women who come to me and tell me that our dramas have impacted their lives. So I don't want it to be a negative impact ever. क्योंकि ड्रामा घर घर में देखा जा रहा है, माएँ देखती हैं तो बच्चे देखते हैं, बच्चियाँ देखती हैं. इम्पैक्ट तो होना है, हम चाहें या ना चाहें. So yes, we must entertain, even if it's without messaging. That's completely fine. But we cannot be detrimental to the society in the name of entertainment. That's my only concern whenever I'm reading a script. But I also feel that if someone else is doing it, मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो कैंसिल कल्चर है ना, ये जो बहुत ज़्यादा करेक्शन हम करते हैं एक दूसरे की, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. Everybody learns in their own time what they need to do for the society or what they need to do in their careers, and we should just let everyone be. Everyone will learn, and eventually it's a whole industry that's making a difference, not one drama. One Jama Takseem cannot do, what we want to do for the society. So वो पूरा industry जो वो tandem में function करती है, or without unnecessary criticism, so eventually you get where you want to get, inshallah.
Just to play the devil's advocate, आपने कहा कि भाई वो स्क्रिप्ट आप नहीं करेंगी जो कि सोसाइटी के लिए डेट्रीमेंटल हो. तो there is a section of producers, writers, directors who say कि यार we're just telling the story of characters.
Right.
और कैरेक्टर्स तो दुनिया में हर तरह के होते हैं, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव. तो हाउ डू यू एज एन एक्टर, एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल एक्टर, ड्रॉ दैट लाइन कि यार कि ओके, ये आप किसी, आई एम श्योर यूरोप